We can set default parameters for arguments as shown in this example. Here we have a function called myAge. We have a single argument assigned to this function called minage, with a default parameter set to equal 30. Now when we call this function, if we do not assign a specific value to our minage argument, the output will be the default parameter value 30. We can see in the remaining calls a value has been assigned. For this reason, the assigned value will be outputted in our web browser, and we can see the end result here. The first call to our function myAge outputs the default value 30. In all the other calls, the assigned value is outputted. In this next example, we've used the return statement to calculate the sum of two arguments, x and y. We can see the arithmetic operation z is equal to x plus y, then a request to output the result using the return method. We can see here that we've assigned values to x and y in our calls to the function named add. The first assignment is 1 for the x value and 2 for the y value. The output is 3. And for the second, it's 3 and 4, so we have an output of 7. And the last is 5 plus 5, which is 10.